Hi everybody, in this episode here I'm going to change out my rear wheels here. This one's not too bad. The front one is not that bad either. It's the one on the other side. This one here, you can see the tread has worn out, and this one's not that bad either. So these are the wheels. They're just regular wheels. They don't have the track. These are originally for front wheels, but unfortunately with these particular wheels I cannot find a matching wheel set because it's a propelled lawnmower. So but I've been pushing it anyway, so this is what it is. I'm going to be using the good old Bower from Harbor Freight. Got this off a deal. If you buy the power tool and the battery, it's like I think the tool is almost practically free or at some heavy discount. I just returned the batteries. So this wheel here is the Antanker 8-inch plastic wheel, universal. So I'll leave a link in the Amazon link. This is where I got it from. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and use the Bower tool. This is a impact wrench drive, and just going to go ahead and use it. I think it does fit. Yeah, it does fit. And I'll take it off that way. Just makes it a little bit easier. Hopefully it will come off, and we'll take a look at it. Looks like it is working. There we go. There you go. Okay. Let's just take a quick look. You'll see what I'm talking about. Let me open the other package first. So here is the wheel. And it's almost 8 inches, very close. It's a little bit thinner, not as thick compared to this, but just got to make some repairs to it. That's what it looks like. All right, let's put this on. Let's take this one off and put this on. You'll see what I'm talking about here. It might need a little bit of grease, but you see that's the track, and it goes on here. Can't find one that will match to go right here, so I'm just going to use this. Hopefully it'll work. Oh no, I don't know if it's going to make it. I don't know if it's going to fit. I didn't consider that. Great. Maybe I didn't calculate for the depth. Oh no. I didn't calculate for that. All right, maybe a change of plans. I'm going to have to take the front wheels, put them in the back, and maybe I could put the back ones, put these up in the front. Let's see if that works. All right. Okay, these look all right. Okay, now the moment of truth. All right, they work. I'm not going to use this. I'm going to use this mostly as a push mower. Let's see if the front one works now. All right, let's see if I can make this work up in the front. Okay, I guess I'll do that. That's gonna have to work. It is what it is. At least I got the I got a workaround, so it is what it is. Let's do the other side. Okay, on this one, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the other side of it. Maybe I should have just started on this one. Put this one in its place. It has a little bit more life to it, and that way I could be done with it. And I got one left over for another day, and I'm going to have to do the same. I'm going to have to replace the front wheel and move the front wheel of the existing one into the back. So not everything goes as planned, but you got to make things work. Okay, well, that'll do for now. Until next time. I might have to find another wheel, but it's just hard to find one that will actually fit and work with these. Probably want a design like this, but that's next time, next video. Let's put this back on. Okay, there you go, done. Please like, share, comment. Let me know, are you having problems finding your wheel on your lawnmower? I am. If you have any suggestions, please let me know. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Also consider joining membership. A lot of gift cards, giveaways. See you until next time. Bye.